Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by removing visibility at the source. Delete or offload apps you don't want listed. Once done, open Settings and confirm your iOS version and home screen/app library options. Make sure screen time is enabled. You'll use it shortly to hide system or restricted apps. Now, delete the app if you no longer want it, or choose Offload App to keep data, but remove the icon. This first sweep clears obvious items fast and sets up controls for the next steps. Next, you refine what can surface in the library by restricting sources of automatic listing. Go to Screen Time, right arrow Content and Privacy Restrictions, and block apps or app categories. This prevents them from appearing for the active user. Then open Siri and search for each app and turn off Learn from this app and suggestions. That reduces predictive listings. Finally, configure focus filters to exclude apps from suggestion channels. These steps limit the system signals that cause apps to reappear. Finish by restarting your device and confirming the app library no longer lists the unwanted items. If something still shows, uninstall the app completely, then reinstall only after reapplying screen time and Siri settings. That forces the system to respect your restrictions. If problems continue, update iOS, and if necessary, reset the home screen layout, but back up first. One key troubleshooting tip: test changes on a secondary app to verify settings are applied before repeat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.